can you talk a little bit about the fear barrier between business owners, CEOs, and home business people would also face?
Yeah, I mean, this is important because fear, most of this, I mean, I believe it was Brian Tracy, or it could have been Zig Ziglar, who mentioned that fear is actually false evidence appearing real. Most fears are not real, they won't happen. Most of what you fear in life will not happen. The rest you can face when you get to it, right? So don't get scared of customers. Don't get scared of making a call. Don't pay any attention to fears, because there's a very, very big problem with fear, is that they create this sort of toxic energy inside of you. They upset your stomach, they block your mind, they get you into thinking about some sort of escape pattern. If you take this solid belief that you have already achieved it, right? Here, listen to me carefully. I am so grateful and so happy that I have already achieved, and hold in my hand right now. I hold in my hand right now that which I seek, and you can speak it out, right? And you keep telling yourself. And if you keep on telling yourself that, what ends up happening is your subconscious mind says, well, what's to be scared of? I already got it, right? I've already got it. So if you know you've already got it, then you're not scared. But there's another thing that the Buddha talks about, right? And this is also very important. If everything that has originated in this world goes through a cycle of change, it's formed and then breaks down and disappears again. Everything that is born will die. Everything that is created will crumble and change form into dust and blow away and then reform in another form. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing. Everything is already on its way to failure. So if everything has already failed, you can't be scared of failure. What's to be scared of? Right? It's already on a road to failure, but you could enjoy it for a little bit longer if you can grab it. So there's nothing to be scared of, right? You already have it. Tell your subconscious, I already have it. I'm already gone through the failure mode, and one day I'll lose it and there'll be something else that will come and replace it. So nothing to be scared of. Just move forward. Mm-hmm. There's nothing to be scared of. Fear. If you pay no attention to fear, it loses energy. Action cures fear. So when you know that you can't fail, and you know that you've already got this in your hand, and you take action, when you know you got it right, you're going to take action, right? So when I had to, I wanted to buy a house on the coast, and the situation was, at that time I didn't have the money to buy the house. So I said, right, I know I'm going to live on that area of the coast, so I'm going to buy that house. I'm going to find a house, I'm going to buy it. I spent 18 months looking for the house that I wanted. And every day I researched the house that I wanted. And when the time came, I said, that's the house I want, and I wanted it. And I took the steps, and I bought the house. I put a deposit on it, and I didn't have the money. In the end, I found the money, and we have the house. And we've had the house now for some year, now 2 years. So, because I knew I couldn't fail, I took the steps, I took the action, and the fear went away. Action cures fears.